So very warm welcome to class 5th in this session of your English. Children, we are actually practicing for our final examination, and where we are actually seeing that what we have to do, we have to study word meanings, we have to go through the chapters very carefully, we have to practice for the question answers. So many things are there, isn't it? So these are the things which are to be taken care of. Now, the thing is that we have done our chapters like a true satyagrahi, Tartary we have done, a visit to Kaziranga, the second voyage. We were doing this thing yesterday.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
But I have
Yes, ma'am.
children, I have asked that we will do it again, I think so today. If I am not,
Yes, ma'am.
which chapter is totally left?
Ma'am, no chapter.
The Tale of Peter Rabbit and When I Am an Old Lady.
These two chapters are left, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am, 3 chapters.
No, better two. A true satyagrahi we have done, na?
No, ma'am.
No,
Ma'am, we
ma'am.
have done Tartary, the
Ma'am,
second
we have
voyage,
not
and
tested.
visit to the Kaziranga.
Okay, no problem. So shall we do a true satyagrahi today or the tale of a Peter Rabbit?
Ma'am, Tale of Peter.
Ma'am, the tail of
Peter Rabbit. Ma'am, but you have said today we will do grammar revision.
Grammar from the chapter itself. In the chapter also we have lots of grammar. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
In every chapter, after all the moment the chapter ends, now you have seen word meanings, question answers. See what else is there? I think so. I guess punctuation marks questions. Then little bit of grammar is there. Then fill-ups are there. Then tense is there. Past tense, present continuous tense. These things are there. Have you gone through those exercises?
No, ma'am.
ma'am.
You have to see all these things, beta. Okay? Practice very well. Every chapter, whatever chapters are coming in your examination, prepare everything from that particular chapter. Okay? Don't leave
Okay, ma'am.
I can ask.
Okay, ma'am.
Yes. So let's start.
Ma'am, have you checked our test copies?
I have checked means I cannot check in that manner because they are not in the form of many papers came, but they are not in the form of PDFs. Fine. Okay, as a one more thing, those who stay in Raipur, if they feel like they want to make their copies checked from us, they can come to school and submit their copy.
Okay,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
One day,
Yes, ma'am.
tomorrow or day after tomorrow, you can come and submit the copies. We will wait for one day, then you can take it back. Okay?
Yes, ma'am.
Aram,
Okay, ma'am.
eat chewing gum now.
मैम कॉपी स्कूल में लाना है.
Those who stay in Raipur, if they can come, it will be really very good. Raipur or nearby Cavalier means our school.
Ma'am,
Yes?
culture high school.
Are beta, if you stay nearby our school, if you want to make your copies checked and signed by all your subject teachers, that is, if you can come down, you can take permission from Vice Principal Madam and come and submit your copies. Right?
मैम all subject or मैम only one?
All subjects you can bring.
Okay, ma'am. Okay, ma'am.
You can bring it on Monday, all the subjects copies set, get signed and then take it back. Okay?
Okay, ma'am.
मैम मैम मैं सबमिट नहीं कर पाऊंगा
Why?
स्कूल में.
Why?
मैम बहुत दूर रहते हैं.
No problem, don't come.
Is it necessary or it's optional?
See, those who stay nearby, if you do it, it's for your betterment. Those who stay too far, how can they do it? Na? It is not possible.
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am, I in Delhi. Ma'am, I can come on next Monday.
Upcoming Monday.
Yes, ma'am, upcoming Monday.
Yes, you can. Now take out your books.
Yes, ma'am, I have taken. Ma'am, what chapter? The Tale of Peter Rabbit.
You said the tale of a Peter Rabbit, na?
Yes. Yes.
Then
Ma'am, can I read?
let's start the revision. Wait. No reading. I will be asking you. Word means only one word, hoy. Okay. Who is the writer of this story? A Tale of a Peter Rabbit?
Ma'am, the writer
Alan
is
Boxster.
Alan Roster.
Okay. Now, Mrs. North.
Rex Potter.
Ma'am, what is the question?
Will you pay attention first? Keep quiet. Riddhi, Mohit, Arav, Maulik, Kavya, Darshan, Suhani. Okay. Mohit, Riddhi, Kavya, Maulik, Darshan, Suhani, Shashwat, Dhairya. Switch on your cameras. Now, one by one, I will ask questions to everyone. So don't shout.
Yes, ma'am.
Ashi, Mrs. Rabbit had dash children. 3, 4, 5 or 2.
Ma'am, 4.
Good. Janya, Flopsy, Mopsy and Cottontail dash listen to their mother.
Jaldi.
Sometimes, never, always, rarely.
Always.
Good. Labdi, Peter ate dash of Mr. McGregor vegetables. Some, a lot, a little bit, all. I can't hear you. Okay. Arham,
Yes, ma'am.
Mr. Grigor ran after Peter with a dash. Rake, hoe, flower pot, stick.
Ma'am, Rake. Can I tell? Ma'am, Rake.
Correct. Tapasya. Peter's mother gave him dash for dinner.
Ma'am, tea.
Good, Tapasya. Then Mohit. Mohit, sit at one place.
Yes, ma'am.
Mohit, where did Peter
Yes, ma'am.
where did Peter live?
Where did Peter live?
Yes.
Where did Peter live? Where did Peter?
Ma'am, can I tell? Ma'am, can I tell?
Ma'am, can I tell?
Ma'am, can I?
What I am showing?
Ma'am, can I tell? Ma'am, can I?
Ma'am, no, ma'am, answer नहीं पता.
नहीं पता. Okay. Arav,
Ma'am,
Ma'am, can I tell?
Peter lived in sandbag under. Peter lived in sandbag underneath the big fir tree.
okay. What happened, Ashi?
Ma'am, I was doing hand raise for telling answer.
Okay. Hands up. Next question to Riddhi.
Yes, ma'am.
What happened to Peter's red jacket?
Peter's red jacket had caught in the ma'am in the gooseberry net in gooseberry net in Mr. M.C. Gregor's garden. It is large button get caught in the gooseberry net. When Peter was running to save himself from there.
Beta, you have not learned the answer.
Ma'am, I have learned.
No. I can see by your face. Little bit you have forgotten.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, but I have learned the answer.
Okay, do it nicely again, huh? Janya,
Yes, ma'am.
Janya,
Yes, ma'am.
where did Peter hide?
Peter hide on.
On.
Can I tell?
Have I asked?
Ma'am, can I tell?
Have I asked?
No, ma'am.
Why?
Peter hide in water pot.
Correct?
मैम याद नहीं आ रहा.
Very good.
Ma'am, can I tell the answer?
Avni,
Yes, ma'am.
answer please.
Yes, ma'am.
Answer please.
Yes, ma'am. Peter hid himself in the shed in a water can.
Now next question to Avni because you answered her answer.
Yes, ma'am.
Hiding place, why or why not?
It wasn't a good hiding place because the water was very cold and Peter Rabbit sneezed and got caught. But he escaped from Mr. McGregor.
Good, very good. Next chance for Arav. Arav has next question. How did Peter manage to reach home? How did Peter manage to reach home? How did Peter manage to reach home?
Ma'am, can I tell?
Have I asked that this is not the way to ask in between? The person whom I am going to ask, that child only will answer me.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, Kavya. Kavya,
Yes, ma'am.
answer.
Ma'am, can I tell the answer?
Hmm?
Ma'am, can I, ma'am?
Wait. Maulik. Maulik.
Ma'am, I want to say. Yes, ma'am. You asked.
Acha, Kavya. Wait. Let him say. Kavya, give me the answer, please.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, what is the question?
Very good. How did Peter manage to reach home?
Ma'am, Peter first asked from the rat, and rat said, "No, I can't tell you." And then Peter asked from a cat. Cat said, "I am busy." So Peter was running, and he saw a onion patch, where the near onion patch the gate was there, and he slightly slipped down in the floor, and he uh, out come out, and he ran to the home and sat down in the soft sand of the sandbank.
Okay, fine. Next question to Maulik. Next question to Maulik. Acha, these questions all have two answers. We have three questions here in think and answer. All the three answers, all the students have to write it down. All of you switch on your cameras. All the students switch on your cameras right now itself. Mohit, Arav, Tapasya, Kavya, Maulik, Suhani, Shashwat, Dhairya, Bhavya, everyone. Do you think, start writing, do you think Peter is daring?
And we have to write question also.
If you write, it will be good for you all, if you can. And if you don't,
Yes, ma'am.
start writing the first answer, then we will discuss, then again the second one. Okay? Do you think Peter?
What is the question?
I'm saying na beta. Page number 68. Page number 68.
Ma'am, I have opened.
You can answer. First one. Yes, Avni.
Ma'am, first question, right?
Yes. Do you think?
Peter Rabbit is a daring and adventurous rabbit. He is so much daring. His mother said no to him, but then too, he went to Mr. McGregor's garden and he had a chase with him. And he is a bit silly, but he is very good and adventurous.
Okay. Now what you have to do is you have to write down this answer. All the students have to write it down. See the time, how much time do you take? Okay, to write one answer.
Yes,
It is 43 now. Your time starts now. Start.
ma'am, we have to write question also.
No. Darshan, switch off your mic. What happened, Janya?
मैम एक बार आप आंसर लिख दोगे बोर्ड में?
Ma'am completed.
Are you mad? Beta, I am asking to you to write down. In your exam, I will write down the answer on the board.
Ma'am, I have done.
Ma'am done.
Those who have not
Ma'am
done,
done.
again. Janya, पहले learn कीजिए answer. Got it? Clear now?
Ma'am, ma'am, I have done. Ma'am, I have also done.
Okay. Check your answers.
Ma'am, I have not done.
Those who have completed, check your answers.
Yes, ma'am.
Then we will move to the exercise part.
Ma'am, can we write answer 2?
Yes, sure. Two and three, both you have to write it down. How do you think Peter felt as he was running to Mr. Gregor's garden? I repeat, how do you think Peter felt as he was running to Mr. McGregor's garden?
Ma'am, second answer come.
Write the third answer also, then check. Those who have not learned the answers, please learn it again. Janya?
Yes, ma'am.
If you have not learned, then read it out once again. Learn it once again.
Ma'am done.
Okay. Shall we move ahead?
Ma'am, I have done.
Very good.
Ma'am, we have to write all three questions.
Yes. Avni,
Yes, ma'am.
what's your sister's name? She is coming.
Yes, ma'am.
What's your sister's name?
Ma'am, Ashvi.
Ashvi. In which class she is in?
Ma'am, she is in KG2.
KG2.
Yes, ma'am.
Caller. Call. Hello. What's your name?
My name is Ashvi.
Okay. In which school do you study?
BJV Kids.
Okay. You're in BJV Kids. Nice to meet you. Do you know me? Do you know me?
No, ma'am.
Come to our school, then you will come to know.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Bye. Okay. Students, now jokes apart, now let's come back to our studies. And we have to continue with the page number 71. Page number 71.
Yes, ma'am. There is a bookwork. Underline the verb
Verbs.
in the. Yes, ma'am.
Future continuous tense in these sentences. Okay. So shall we start?
Ma'am, I have done this.
Ma'am, which page number?
Page number 70.
Ma'am, which page number?
Page number 71.
Ma'am, I have done this.
We will do it again. Then close your books. Close your books then. Close it. If you have done, then close it.
Yes.
Okay. My question to Suyash. Suyash, yes, your question is, I will be watching my favorite cartoon show this evening. Underline the verbs in the future continuous tense. I will be watching my favorite cartoon show this evening. Underline. Yes. The moment questions also start leaving out the meeting.
Ma'am, the answer.
There. Answer me first. I will be watching my favorite cartoon shows this evening. Underline the verbs in the future continuous tense. Come on.
Ma'am, can I tell?
Ma'am, can I tell?
Yes, say Titi. Then one by one.
Will be eating.
Huh?
Ma'am, what is the question? Can you repeat?
Watching my favorite cartoon show this evening.
Will be watching.
Okay. Then Ashi. Ashi.
Yes, ma'am.
Second one. Second sentence.
Ma'am, what is the question of second?
Eating. I will be eating dinner by 7 tonight.
Yes, ma'am.
I will be watching
I will be eating.
dinner by.
Ma'am, can I? Ma'am, I
eating.
will be eating is answer.
Got
Ma'am, will be eating.
that only she said. Will be eating.
Yes, ma'am.
Future continuous, right? Next sentence. Mary will be going to the market with her aunt.
Will be going.
Okay.
Ma'am will be going.
Okay. Janya,
Yes, ma'am. Can I say next?
why? Rani will be performing before an audience.
Ma'am, repeat the question.
Rani will be performing before an audience.
Can I will be performing?
Next, Labdi.
Ma'am,
Ma'am, what is the answer of
ma'am
question?
will be performing.
Labdi,
Yes, ma'am.
my father will be joining us towards the end of the trip. My father will be joining us towards the end of the trip.
Ma'am will be saying.
Huh?
Will be joining.
Ma'am will be joining.
Got it.
Ma'am will be joining.
Got it. Darshan.
Ma'am, can I say next?
Wait. Malik. Malik.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Raj will be cooking for his guests on Saturday.
Ma'am will be.
Then
Ma'am, can I tell?
Ma'am will be cooking.
the moment I will ask to the child, that child will only speak. उसके बिना और कोई बोलेगा तो मैं उसके marks काट दूंगी.
After
Okay,
this
ma'am.
character answer.
Okay. Now time is also over. No. Still left. 4 minutes are left. Take out page number 69, all of you. Take out page number 69. Exercise number B.
Yes, ma'am.
You have solved it? Huh?
Yes, ma'am. I have solved it.
Okay.
Ma'am, I have also solved.
Who has not solved?
Ma'am, page number 72. Ma'am, I have not done. Ma'am, I have not done.
Take the book from your friends in the and ask them and solve it. Complete your work.
Okay, ma'am. Okay, ma'am.
Next is next question to Ashi. We are talking about
Yes, ma'am.
when I am an old lady, right? What does the poet want to pay back? What does the poet want to pay back?
Ma'am, what you have said?
What does the poet want to pay back?
Happiness
Say the complete.
and joy.
Say the complete sentence.
Ma'am, happiness and joy.
ऐसे नहीं बोलते बेटा. The poet wants to pay back. बोलो. The poet
Wants to pay back happiness and joy.
right? Getting my point?
Yes,
Otherwise your marks will be
ma'am.
deducted.
Your voice is breaking. Ma'am, your voice is breaking.
Okay, fine. Then we will meet on next class. Be prepared with the total grammar portion.
Yes, ma'am.
Chalo, bye.
Bye, ma'am. Bye, ma'am.